one big entertainer of the number one item in the news blem. He's a big entertainer who Jesus Christ. This man is not tired of controversy. Yo, I can't keep up with the date, it's more fast. We live my name, but it's Saturday morning, a regular thing. It's King Nyah. Try to do the news blem. I up and try to do the news blem before Mama Belly start ball, so she want her tea. But so you know do your tea then, Mama. Do your tea then in Mama Belly because I want time now, 7:30. I want to belly talk about 7:30 is news blem time. I really 6:30 yo, but John know it's hard for it. I did on the sitting here last night man. So it's it. News blem. King Nyah news blem. Counting down the news of early 2026. Other year, you know, that goes so fast. I don't know. But we in the month of March and today about the 21st. I don't even know how much item. Maybe a 7, maybe a 8. I don't know, but I know the first one, a world indoor, a number 7 or a 6 that, or a 8 that. I know something like so. We have some item where I'll count them down. World Indoor Sports Championships who are going right now on the TV. We can ask Mama Belly for an update because she was watching, I certainly wasn't. I'm here, I know here where I win. Alright. Alright? The World Indoor are going now. I'm not here no nice I make. I'll be here with Mama Belly and say, what she do? Who here you do? You don't see the girl come? Yeah, that alone are going in the World Indoor. So I think we get me here about a silver. And brands and me here about another brand and no me not here no gold. So World Indoor sound like when I outside. Only when we're out the outside we can run fast. That's Jamaica. So counting down the news, World Indoor at the first one, number 7 or 8 minutes. No, we jump this morning, we late. And that's why Mama Belly in the kitchen now, because your body will play space. Alright, and number 6 or 7 this minute. No, Jamaica World Cup, we still in a sport. Jamaica World Cup qualifier. For the football thing, alright, Leon Bailey name come, well I no call for him name yet. I could just talk about some other name, but I can't call because I don't know, yesterday they call out a name them. I don't really remember, but no name no spark. Except Leon Bailey. Yes, it sound like Leon Bailey I go come back now the squad, so maybe we have to read somewhere in a football thing again. I link up Dalton Spence, I link up Real King, which is Real King TV. The man there sports, what man know about the sports, and we're going to ask them for them commentary. But the World Cup with Jamaica thing, this is King Nyah commentary. Bring back a 2 things you can do. Either bring Bolt. Remember when Bolt did play ball when I bet you if we don't bring back Bolt, we don't know so nobody can run fast and if we get the ball. At least we show. No, but Bolt hold on now. Bolt get hold on now. I see Bolt do a red stripe ad on the match. You notice him never, when him run at the Gatorade and them man, them enders. Now me say Bolt with a red stripe boxing in him hand with a red stripe belly, a beer belly out time. You know. You can't put Bolt in his squad, so hush. Me that go say put Bolt in a time when him try play ball and it a bug out. You remember when him anybody who remember when Bolt try play ball? Eh? When I laugh see me like me, you know. But me that go say 2 things, put Bolt, or the other thing is me say it already. Turn the reggae boys team into the reggae girls. I take a few of the girls them off by reggae girls side and put on the reggae boys side and I bet you we go a World Cup. Now only go a World Cup and win it. Anytime you start them kind of process, because man them a fool. Only Leon Bailey name alone can call. It never make no sense them a call chat one bag of shit. Me I talk to some man who know about sport better than me, because me now this man them you know. But me just have to talk the truth. The man them a get dilute and weak and some of my man them on the live, me don't know if you feel offended on the live right now when I say that or when it's recorded and sent out, then you're one of those man. The man them a get dilute and weak out. Big up man like Leon Bailey, big up man like Low, Onan the Low son. Them man they do them thing as young man, but otherwise the man them get dilute out. So maybe the girl them ever go put on reggae boy side because all of them a do right now, it's not going nowhere. Not going nowhere, Mr. Rudolph squeeze P down the new team, new coaching side won't have doing the thing. You're not going nowhere because the thing is just a random set of man. No man no side, no team, no there. No team, no there, no cohesive, no cohesion. No set up man we together, we grow together from Manning Cup to Premier League to World Cup football level. Yeah, that not there. If that not there, it don't make no sense. You just pick out some man. One from England, one from the club, one from all of them. 2 them mother did born at Jamaica. Yeah, say with Jamaica team. It's not going nowhere straight. We're not going to see, but me no know. Maybe I'm wrong. We are going to talk to man like Dalton Spence. Big up Real King TV. and we have a hero sports analogy. But for now, that is number 6 or 7 on the news blem. Countdown World Cup, Leon Bailey. Alright, so number 5 or 6 now, I don't know. Me I tell you now. Brogard and Julian speech. We not stay long on this. Brogard doing the budget speech. Brogard, the Prime Minister, and Julian Robinson. You know me I said Julian Robinson with that tie-in. That kind of tie-in. Julian Robinson, finance man, opposition. Brogard, is Andrew Holness, who put that name upon himself. What a blood clean set of people, Jamaican, eh? All the boring politicians, them have style. Brogard. That's a film name. Him put a name there. But he might do something and chat some shit. I want me say again. The periods. He not say nothing have interest except the boringness so him chat. But except he might say the pay did raise. PMP man them a lick out. But what about with the periods? Me don't know. Something come up about periods. No, me not talk about minimum wage. Well, me talk about like the oh what you say? Minimum wage raise? $1,000 put for minimum wage. $1,000 put for minimum wage, I would say give thanks. If I am a minimum wage earner and you're saying I'm putting $1,000 on your money, I say give thanks, boss, and I do my thing.
It's me.
Yeah.
Yeah, Miss Belly. Prime Minister give me $1,000 raise, but try find him and push it down face.
Miss Belly say if she da work and she get minimum wage and Prime Minister put $1,000 in her hand, she would hold it and shove it in her face. And now hear what King Nyah say about that. That is the reason why there is so much domestic violence, because of the woman them like Miss Belly, who when you give them an extra money upon the money, them push it in your face.
And then you raise bus fare and taxi fare, so what
Alright,
do?
well, see them Miss Belly, no wrong with that. Yeah, you raise, you give it in one and take it back in the next. That is what Brogard is saying. And is doing and saying, and that no work, because when me really talk about when a man news blame was the fact say Brogard did get or that about the periods. When Brogard the brethren Nigel Clark where him bring in for be finance minister, which by the way come in and do be finance minister and then change money the whole thing and then fly out and do big work of foreign with white man. But when Brogard brethren Nigel Clark was prime minister with finance minister, him raise up the Brogard and the rest of all of them color them pay. All of them man they were beat the decks in the parliament. All of them money did double up, triple up, whole heap of money did go up on it. And Brogard did say him no want it, him not taking it as a sign to the people. Them say, really, this is a few years later, him brethren did raise the pay, fly out, down do bigger job, top job for white man them, and him now ready now to take the extra money when he done set up him brethren. Hey, you know see a triple thing I go on. This is why I'm king of Jamaica. Yeah, it's Miss Valerie here, this is the queen mother. Cause we not take on none of us queen and I woman. You ever know TikTok girls them? Hold on with the Queen of Jamaica apartheid. We have to arrest that first, because we have to sort out some things. Too many domestic violence. Something is going on. Something I say a while ago, I tell you, say, I give Mama Belly $1,000 upon the money. Brogard do that. And not only Mama Belly, she not take it, she says she's shoving it back in my face. Some of these things is what's stirring up the domestic violence. I'm just saying, in the Saturday morning as we count down, the news blame countdown. TikTok we live, we're recording so that we can send these kind of messages out for eternity. Okay, because we know it's important. Yeah, good. So another important thing, either number 4 or 3 now upon the sitting is a man named Ray Morgan. Either one I know. Ray Morgan, no people know that name there. But it's a one old man, 70-year-old, whatever age group, maybe even 82. But he used to par with Master Griffith and them kind of legend and reggae and some other ancient man who do them thing. And in Connaught, Master Griffith have a big money, well a million or some millions, and go to jail for it. And some technicalities, he get sentenced, and him sending him appeal. And him appeal never, here it really go. Him sending the lawyer sending the appeal, and the appeal, the court system send the appeal to the wrong section. So him appeal no go in, so him getting sentenced. He appeal no go in. How much year later them a tell him say, yo, a mistake did make and we just as say did appeal a case because we just say you never appeal, So this about 6 years later when he get one 10-year sentence. And he serve out the rest of the sentence and then organize. Now, him get $80 million away Jamaican government or a con artist. Shh. Well on, settle in that little now. Him liar them, do them derricks, and it's a few years later. This is an old man and barely can walk and get too much choke and sit in a jail, come out of jail now. $80 million, Mama Belly said he can pay $10 a month. Whatever them are, some trick way. Yeah, I say a can artist with can artist. Thief from thief, God laugh. We're laughing. People only laugh, yeah. Ray Morgan, who is approximately 80 years old and sick, get $80 million. You don't get the money yet. The judge them stamp and say, you forget the money, Supreme Court then carry the white boy then court, England man, we then say, and I just show a Jamaica king this year, King Nyah, and an England man. But in a broker them system, that England man them set a man say, hear me now, a wrongness you do to this man, you have to give him money. 80 million away liar, them are going to take one whole heap of chunk of that. I see them damn corrupt system. I see them can artists them around politics. Liar them. Big up to all of my liar friend them. Salute to all of my liar friend them. But truth is truth of them thing I will talk on Saturday morning. And Ray Morgan, yo, you's a lucky bastard and you's a unlucky. But I don't even know. You's a real lesson. You's a lesson to people because what am I going to do with that money then now? If him get all light one time now, you know, one chuck back up and dump off in a living room. What am I going to do? What am I going to do? Attract a set of damn thief and sitting in full of girl. Eh? After you that the truck you dump up. The girl lying up out the road today with that the 80-year-old half dead man. That may I tell you, that him I going to do with it. Yeah? Give it away to the vultures. How I go on. And the Ray Morgan is a lesson. And make we take that lesson, you see? And Mr. number 4 that I will tie in Real Reid with it. A Real Reid court case has come up. Who don't know Real Reid was Minister of Education one time when I cannot test them with a power the labor right brokered man them. And him and him brethren can out the school system and thief up whole for millions. And he get locked down feet. And in case about, Real Reid case. We are tying Ray Morgan with Real Reid. Appear our name we are free, you know. They last time case called come about last week. And they put out about 10 years now that the case are going now. By the way, you know. And tactics with the lawyer them. The court 9 o'clock court case, judge call up court, 2 lawyer for defense. Them not there. The prosecution lawyer them there and government lawyer. The defense lawyer them, the 2 of them, top lawyer man where get them big money. 2 of them is not there. One of them show up. One a woman and one a man. The woman one show up about 45 minutes later. A ball say parking and railway. And another one call in and say big time murder case so in depth and that drive me. But me I show you what the tactics were going on this now. King Nyah who a king over a lawyer them. Let me tell you what going on this so. Tactics to drag out the case. That's what they're doing. And that is what Real Reid paying him out time money them with thief to do. To drag out the case another 10 years. So by the time they sentence Real Reid, he hate it like Ray Morgan. And that's the tactics we are going there. So, and a beer them tactics there around the system. Okay? And we come to change that to say King Nyah is creating a whole new nation within Jamaica. Alright? Cool. So a number 3 or 2 that I'm not sure I can say something. A number 4 or 3 that's so yeah. So number 2 or 3, this is Camp Warika. We're still in a government thing now. We want to for more entertainment. Why entertainment sit not how much? One big entertainer of the number 1 item in the news blem is a big entertainer who Jesus Christ. This a man is not tired of controversy. Learn that. Hurry up now, I want to talk about that. Camp Warika we are talking about now though, which is the new camp for Jamaica and JDF force them, which is the King Charles puppet them. Big up all of my soldier friend them and my soldier relative, but I'm just talking the truth. Yeah, the JDF and some JCF too. Me have a very close relative in the JCF, relative even in the sense of brothers practically, who in the JCF, and I'm telling you, JCF is a puppet for King Charles, such as Andrew Holness. Therefore, every government worker and where do the government work, them not doing one shit. I'm talking especially to the female them in the office them where the AI systems who come take on the blasted work. Now they not do nothing but chat shit and spin round in the ass in a little half a frack them, a little black skirt them catch you up there so if you turn the boss them in a idiot. And that to not spin round in the office, AC a blow and a pay government like crazy. Not one shit you doing in this government office, but I'm saying you do food thing cause Rabuna Rabbi system just like them. But Camp Warika is the new camp with the pan Tapa Hill in a Rockfort region, East Kingston, Jamaica. Tapa Hills where me who in a Rockfort region, East Kingston, Jamaica, don't even know. I must say yesterday me hear that news. They said the camp must be done bill or nearly done bill. And I didn't have a clue. Right? Well, if thanks to Camp Warika, they look like them are going to look down on everything now. So, for example, the gunman them who shooting and aiming after police. They shoot out them. They shoot out them while going with police. And the gunman them shoot after the police and the police shoot back. And the gunman dead and the police not get no shot. And the police car not get no shot. And nobody no hear no shot except the police them gun. Them sitting there, we will start can see them from up at Camp Warika. They record it. Put it on them live. I'm giving the soldiers. Only carry on the phone when I go up there. put on the TikTok, put it on the live, and when them shoot out there about it and say, tap up the screen, share up the live. We had a 3 and 2 that we just Camp Rica, and I think we put 2 or 3, you know, which is RJR, I'm not stay long on it. RJR lend money, and it's not a news item, it's a news question. Did RJR lend money to PMP? Whoa. Blame that one them the people, blame that one them. I not talk the young people them, I don't give a shit. I mean even wrong on them. I talk the people them who have an idea of what go on in their life. Blame that word them, I just say. Yeah. I don't know if PMP lend, if RJR lend PMP money, but I hear that rumor there and then I see how them system pan them programming. Yeah, because for them station program, my mother them, you know, for them social media, that them never know, say them a bug out pan that shit. Same like how Facebook and TikTok a bug out. My generation not so bug out. We kind of balance. Our children, Jesus Christ, them lost. Oh my goodness, the generation after me lost to the damn dumb shit with them a program in our head pan the social media, which is really mainstream media in a new format. I see them thing in a new way now. Over time, when we get to understand what I say, but I don't see what I go on already. And I wonder if the rumor when I hear say RJR Communications Group, which involves their radio station RJR, RETV, Power 106, which must say a lockdown at RETV, a lockdown now, FM, I don't know if that's a lockdown too, but Gleaner Company, and good all one another the Star, and I'm sure I miss out some things. That is the conglomerate, which is the evolution of the dumb shit and the selling the bad and the sad news and the warrior news in Jamaica over years and years and decades. That is how them grow to be that big. And it tie up very closely with politics is what I mean surely I confirm now. Because I hear people saying RJR did lend PMP money before the politics thing. PMP lose. So RJR lose a bag of money so them have to cut down then all of the assets now. Real station when if it go on one program pile in for one another program and will set a confusion all of a blood clean sudden. Me don't know you know but RJR I'm sure not gonna figure out funny thing because funny thing well figure out. Funny thing govern. We're not talking more about because we're on a boring station. I better we talk about Zip FM, a new people station. Big up to the new people them. Zip FM I was that a King Nyah station now. I want get Mama Valley if you know that you see and take off it off RDR and make listen some new tune. Some skipper. Listen to some skipper and give me some new. So 450. I don't know. Every day is a new one, you know. Every day it have new artists. My blood clear. What they are Roger Wild and Pablo YG. No, a skipper and Alkaline have show next week. We don't know that. We don't know that because that the flyer they all about. But him draft a skipper. Only man me see on the flyer with him about 2 months now. The flyer circulated they all over Jamaica, all round the island where you drive. You see Alkaline sitting where say up to the line. Big deal of shit that's going on and him and skipper the other man when I see his picture so he must say new generation, say new boss we and them man they are par, yeah, we and them man they are par and them man in a play for RJR, so RJR Communication Group and that's why we're not losing the money and lose election too. But number one is a man who not lose, you know. Number one on the news been count now, a man who not lose. I realize over the years he's been growing and growing. But right now I'm wondering, man, it's Buju Banton. Number one is Buju Banton. Lord God, Buju, we tired for talking in our news, you know. And what do you wear talk, so we wonder if you blasted last boy. I mean, if you're last boy, because you're full of picnic. You will film a fish, because you chat some fishy things with Star. And that's not supposed to happen. A man where say, boom, bye-bye, in a batty boy head and get international controversial news and it tune with that. No, if you have no boy where say that, me know you would know that code there. Buju, I true that. And I'm saying, the Buju Banton baby mother, come out now and chat some whole more shit. That correct up that thing now. One a Buju Banton baby mother, hey. Buju Banton boss when him about 19 years old, you know. From Buju about 19 him a millionaire, you know. And when me the thing say life good, but as a man we conscious, boy life couldn't so great where all a sex all your 4 baby mother one time. That way him one of him baby mother say some of the time when you link Buju as a baby mother out there. And even me and baby mother Lana we ain't sing about. And that's why man the big boy war he come from jail, you know. I bet the life gets sweeter now. When he come from jail, my big boy we name Marcus man. Marcus. Yeah man, Marcus. He da run the studio when he gone. And I link with Ayaptian. One another pretty rasta, we put it in quote, from Spanish Town. In live in Florida, or say, you know. Two of them in a link, and send and thrown out of Buju studio, and Buju they jail, and to come like him never like it. When he come out of jail, he run a high octane, him and him boy war physical fight, everybody know about that. Physical fight in a yard, up a studio yard, up off Red Hills Road there, and when me put 2 and 3 together, me say, yo, that youth, his mother, you know, that brother hurt his mother whole heap over the time, and that a bubble up in him with some other things. And that's why Buju and him boy are, you know. And and since then it's been Buju drama, back a Buju drama, back a Buju drama. To me, this have to be the icing on the cake when your baby mother one of them come out and start them, say you rape. Your baby mother say you rape. Me no Lord God, them a go cut off me live. You can't say that on TikTok live. And where you boy, you can't say that about Buju. Buju, I'm saying that about you. I'm just saying that your baby mother saying this about you, dude. As a big man who is a conscious rasta. What go on with the conscious rasta them? What go on? What go on with the consciousness in a dance and reggae circuit? May I hear a man, rasta man, baby mother, who never see mother give me rose. I hope a man give me that rose. Let me tell you that already, don't give me nothing, you know. Don't give me nothing on TikTok. Because me like, wow, God, in a dancehall and TikTok is such an integral part of dancehall right now. And I'm talking about Buju, I don't want to lose the point. Because dancehall, the man they build dancehall. And right now, some whole freaky thing in baby mother say. She who call him now as a baby mother, I go hear say, she have to go come sex him. That a while. Like either she have to go wait out her room when 3 of them line up and one in there already. And one after the other. I don't know, tell you the truth, you know, I don't know if I saw it going on. Based on how she talk it, you don't know. I don't know if I 3-4 of them on one big giant bed, but Buju can afford as a 20, 24, 26-year-old millionaire, popular man in Jamaica who's singing, strange this feeling I'm feeling. Oh, Jah love, we will always believe in. Though you may think my faith is in vain, till Shiloh which at Rastafari is named. And them thing the Buju was singing at that time then. Baby mother say, oh, he is a drugs dealer. Everybody know that. He moved 10 years for cocaine, selling it, tasting it in front of the white man them where trick him. Blood clean, Buju and son, neither Rasta. Come like the white man them a trick you know. Big up all of my white man friend who ever want to trick me in a music thing when I just come in and doing about I'm discovering some blood clean thing as a farmer who just come into this entertainment world. This entertainment world is strange. This feeling I'm feeling, oh, Jalo will always believe it. Yo, you hear me now? I'm wrapping up the news blame because I don't want to get that problem with Buju. Yo, big up the people in the live. Don't give me nothing. If it's another all the way a woman, don't give me no rose. I think that's a trick. The whole thing a trick. You know, say a trick where Buju, how the frig go on? Buju not supposed to be elder for the man them like Skipper where I sing fuckery. Look up to and say, oh, we're gonna do consciousness because see those man do conscious. Buju nah do no conscious or rascal. Me no want to talk no more about what now. Mama belly kitchen. Yeah, your mama belly I read me as a me not go. Me not doing conscious. Me just make that clear record Nyah. Let me just say that in the life. Me make it clear. King Nyah is not conscious. King Nyah is kingly.